going to look at software installation, and to be specific, I want to move my development to a virtual environment so that I won't put in a lot of junks on my system. I would like to move some of my projects to a different environment so that I will be able to explain things from the start, since most of the things on my system are already installed before I start. I want to use this opportunity to maybe remake most of the videos we had, and in this episode we are going to look at installation of VirtualBox. And VirtualBox is just like a virtualization means where you can be able to install an operating system on top of another. With VirtualBox, just like VMware, you can be able to install multiple operating systems in the same system, but it won't affect the base operating system, unlike dual boot and other things that can crash, especially when you mix it with Windows. Sometimes VirtualBox will abstract the system you have and create a virtual computer for you. So you click on the downloaded file, and for Windows it will ask you to do this. This is the download link. As you can see, you can just go to virtualbox.org and you would find the specific command to launch the download, and I'll just download it by default. You can change the installation folder and others if you want. I want to create a start menu entry now. I want to create a desktop shortcut, create a shortcut in the quick launch bar, register file association. Yes, I want to do that. Then network interface, installing Oracle feature will reset your network connection and temporarily disconnect you from the network. I'm okay with that. I'm not connected on the internet anyways. So when you launch this, you just allow it to install completely. I will show you how it looks like when it's completely installed. And one good thing about VirtualBox is that it's completely free, and I think the updates are very frequent and it's helping a lot. So when we start installing operating systems on it, you would see the great features that it offers. And I think from the earlier version of 5 point something, it started including a recording feature where you can be able to record the activities of the software. Whenever you launch an operating system, you can see that the shortcut is already created. That means the installation is almost complete. It's writing system registry values, and I think if I don't edit this video, the noise from my fan will be a little bit high, so please pay attention to the voice. If I have less time to edit the videos that I'll be uploading from now on, I upgraded my system from an Intel PC to a Lenovo ThinkPad. So I don't know, but the fan is very loud, so, and I think the sound will always be interfering with my voice. But just pay attention to what's happening on the screen, and we are done with this start Oracle. I'll just launch it so that we see how it looks like. So you see, this is how it opens for the first time. Nothing is on it. I didn't have any previous installation, so as you can see, this is just the basic of it. So if you have any question, just put it on the comment section below, and we'll start seeing how we can install operating systems on it. Thank you.